Just a quickie on this little block canvas, little brick canvas. It's a nice deep edge. It will make a really nice gift. Looking for something soft and delicate, but we see how we go because nothing ever ends up how I plan. Made sure I put my masking tape on the bottom so to keep the back clean, and then these are giant push pins. All the materials required you will find in the drop down box on my Amazon store. So there you go. Right here, what I've started with today is basic white in there, and I'm going to squirt a colour which is this black blue to do a ring pour, but I'm going to actually squirt it. Ooh. It's probably telling me that you don't need any more because I want to do it so it's quite pale, but it doesn't look as though it's going to be like that because it's quite dark now. So give it a few stirs. Let's see how we get it. I use that to knock my push pins in, and then to get them out you just wiggle them. I'm saying this because I've had loads of people ask me recently. Rightio, so let's go the ring pour. So how comes the white now? Oh, I like this already. Like it, like it, like it. So that's just a basic quick ring pour that you can do for the background. So over the edges. Oh, that's nice. I mean, you can absolutely certainly just leave your canvas with a ring pour on. Many people do. They still sell well because all people look at them and see different things within that canvas. Just tilted it right over the edge so it covers my edges too. So I get nice lines down my edges. Let's bring this a bit further in now. I love that. It's kind of that black blue I've put in there has come out a really nice grey. So what I'll do is I'll work on this bit. Now this is, I'll turn it so it faces me. Look at the edges. Super duper. That's gorgeous. As I said, you could leave it exactly as that is. But I want to add a real simple, and it is simple. Once you've got your paint mixed, and I've got plenty of videos in my playlist for mixing your paints with pouring acrylic paints with pouring medium, you'll be good to go. So I'm going to the very base, doing a simple little blowout in one corner only. So this is I'll show you. So there's different paint brands that I'm using here. This one is the Montmartre pouring acrylic paint, and I just love this gold. If I ever see this gold, I always buy it because it's just very sheeny, shiny, very nice. And I'm going to add a little bit of the metallic bronze. Now this one is global paint. Add a little bit in there. And I will add a little bit of the Amsterdam paint. That one is the brown, is it Van Dyke brown? Something like that. Now, I really wanted to add a pop of colour, so I am thinking some turquoise. I'm not sure about this, but I was going to try like a real sort of steely blue, but I just think, okay, now the turquoise is not coming out. Okay, there's a bit. Remember, I just want to add a pop of colour in there, but really loving those neutrals. And then back to a little bit of black blue kind of. Not too much because it could take over the whole lot. So let's move this out a little bit. love this. I love it. I'm going to do this one with my straw. So I've just get these straws from my discount shop. I think you get 5 in a pack, and they're just a stainless steel straw with a silicone bendy end. So I've just find them perfect for blowing out. So here we go. Take a breath, take a breath. Oh, I love it. I love it. That's so beautiful. So of course, teeny weeny tiny weeny, just got a deflated balloon and press it in. It's just a tiny bit of that turquoise is showing. So just once in the center. Well, okay. I need to take a little bit of paint off here because it's not showing up a nice shape, but it will, trust me. Ooh, so much better. Okay, I'm going to use a little skewer, or yeah, skewer, just to trace some wispy bits out. It does kind of give it a 3D effect when you do this, I find. Love it. So simple. Like I said, as long as you have your paint consistency correct, you will get it. I think that is going to be a lovely little gift. And look at the side of the canvas, it's so gorgeous. Okay, my lovelies, it was a quick creation. I love this colour scheme. I think I really want to do mainly a phthalo blue in there, might pop even more, but really love that. Thank you so much for joining me for my quick effort. Take care, bye for now. Just wanted to give you an up close. Look at that gold. That is so, works so well at really making stand out, and absolutely love that background. Love it, love it, love it. Even the sides look beautiful. I turned out, taking it right over the sides. Really lovely. Really happy with that. Like I said, nice little gift, or easy to sell at a market, or very easy. Easy once you've got the consistency of your paint correct. Hope you enjoyed it anyway.